sisesiqongolweni phezulu kelenyoni lapho ke kusemzimkhulu wezohatsha iSABC nanzi ezithutshileko ke zanamhlanje.
The command structure that we put in place help us to limit the damage, and we haven't lost a life.
Imphakathi yeMossel Bay eJingalanga Kapa isele ibuthelela okusese nobubhadekelo ngemva komlilo olalise izindlu nomango.
Umulusi Council congratulates the class of 2025 who have succeeded in these examinations.
Umkhandlo wengamele inhlahluboze kaMatric uMalusi uqinisekise ukuthi iyaphuma imphumela kaMatric ngomvulo bese ngelesibili itholakala enkolweni.
Actually, I'm very much scared.
Abantu abasha bayazibulala noma banama-thoughts okuzibulala ngenxa yokuthi abaphumelelanga ku grade 12, so you can't afford to give up.
Abasabulali ubuthonga abafundi ebebenza uMatric bazibuza ukuthi khani baphasile na, khani kubhalile na. Siphethe abathoba umkhumbulo.
We are going to try and play with our force.
Thina ke siyiMorocco sinalokukhulu ke ukethemba njengoba siqhubeka nomselwano.
Kezemidlalo siphosa ilihle emidlalweni yama-quarter final we-AFCON namhlanje ebusuku. Kuyangithokozisa bona nginifumane ningilindile nendaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1. Lotshani sitshaba sekosi. Imphakathi yeMossel Bay eJingalanga Kapa isele ibuthelela indwanyana ezisese nobhadekelo ngemva komlilo otshise izindlu nomango wachiya imindeni eminingi inganabuyo. Pheze izindlu ezili-11 ezitshile kwemlilweni wangelesibili othungekele eAdvaldale, eIsland View neVacancy Plus. Umlilo omkhulu ucinyiwe kodwa besizwe lihabako basabeke ilihlo.
Ucinyizwe lebusuku umlilo eNumnum Eco Estate, Hartenbos Yevels neSonscape Lane. Abacima umlilo babeka ilihlo imlilo engathoma godu njengoba nakuchisa bekunomoya.
If you work with an area stretched over 2,300 hectares with winds of 40 to 60 kilometers behind it, then you're in trouble. Doesn't matter how many resources you've got. But working together, the command structure that we put in place help us to limit the damage, and we haven't lost a life. So we're very grateful for that.
Inqhema zabacima imlilo ngokubambisana zisebenza ebudisi ukusiza bona umonakalo ungabi mumbi khulu.
Thank you to our partners. Without the partners, private sector jumping in, various NGOs, the working on fire teams, other municipalities sending teams to relieve the Mossel Bay team. So it's a collective effort that help us to limit the damage as far as possible.
Nakusenjalo ubekilehla libukhali umlilo sendabeni zetsitsikama esiqhumini senyamazana iGarden Road National Park. Sun Parks itukuche amahegere angaphezu kwe-10,000.
Kanti ukuzwa zamva nje ngomlilo otshaya eJingalanga Kapa sinombiki indaba wethu umkhokheli bandla. Akwande mkhokheli siyakwamukela endabeni zesiNdebele. Zithini zamva nje ngomlilo kuthiwa utsha ubuhanguhangu eKapa?
Nkosi kakhulu ndibulise nakumbukeli wendaba ze-SABC ngolwimi lwesiNdebele. Ngokuqinisekileyo siza apha kuwe sisuka kanye ke eMossel Bay kwiphondo lentshona koloni. Kulapho ke ngoku sibona into yokuba abacima imlilo basaxakekile bajongene nemeko embi kakhulu kulommandla waseMossel Bay. Buselutshilo ke kumbukeli ekhaya into yokuba ezintsapho ezibalelwa kwi-11 ezithe zabe kanti ke ziphulukene nemizi yabo namakhaya abo bebalekela kwizizalwane zabo. Kodwa ke imeko ndikuxelela nje izicima imlilo okuzixakekile zibeke esweni kuba kaloku kumane kuqhambuka imililo ethile okubekwe esweni ke ngethuba besithetha nomphathiswa apha ke kwiphondo lentshona koloni ojongene nokusingqongileyo. Utshilo ke into yokuba ke izicima imlilo azizokulala ukuqinisekisa into yokuba baziqubisana naso nasiphina isiganeko esinokuthi siphinde sithi gqiqhaphu. Kodwa ke ngethuba sigqibela ukuthetha nabo esithi into yokuba imeko noko ngoku iphansi noko kweliso yaye inako ukulawuleka okuthile ngaphandle nje ke kwemililo emane kuthi gqipha iphinde ithi gqipha kodwa ke siqinisekisa into yokuba ezo meko zinjalo ezibekwe phansi kweliso elibukhali kulapho ke besikhona kule ndawo sikuyo ngoku yile ndawo ibithe yabe kanti ke inezintsapho zili11 zithe zabe kanti ezitshelwe zangqongqelwa yimizi yazo kulapho ke kumane kusithi gqe ngoku imililo phana njengobujongile pha phesha pha siyabona into yokuba ke zikhona izicima imililo ezisajongene nemeko uqinisekisa into yokuba iintsapho noko zilala ubuthongo obehlayo ngokuhlwa nje esinoqinisekisa ke umphulaphuli kunye nombukeli wendaba ze-SABC kukuba ke sisoloko sithe gqolo sihleli ke sijongene nale meko ithe yabe kanti ke ibangela ukunxunguphala kwiintsapho eziliqela zephondo lentshona koloni ingakumbi ke apho sikhoyo ngoku ke apha eMossel Bay okwangoku masikwenze masiphinde sibuyele kuwe studio uqiniseka nje into yoba ke sasoloko xa usidinga sikhona singamehlo nendlebe zakho ekhaya.
Mkhokheli sizwe bona abantu sebabutha okuseleko ungangani umonakalo obangelwe emlilo lo?
andiqinisekanga uba ndikuve kakuhle kodwa ke endinokuxelela kona kukuba iintsapho ezi zithe zabe kanti zitshelwe zangqongqelwa kumakhaya azo zithe zabe kanti zibalekela kwizizalwane zazo ezinye ke zifumana uncedo apha ke kumasipala walapha ke kwiGarden Route uqinisekisa into yokuba abo bathe babe kanti bayachaphazeleka kule meko baya kufumana ukuhoywa ne-community ke le iyancedisana kunye nezicima imlilo zikamasipala nezikahulumente ezizama uqinisekisa into yokuba le meko ibekwe esweni abahlali balapha ke bathe cha sibajongene nokuba le meko bazawuthi babe kanti bancedisana njani kuyo kunye ke norhulumente uqinisekisa into yokuba noko izinto ngoku zibuyela kundalashe nezo ntsapho ke zithe zabe kanti zilahlekelwe zezilahlekelwe kuko kumakhaya abo kunye ke nezindlu ezithe zabe kanti zitshile ziyakwazi ukuncediseka ngendlela ethile. So urhulumente walapha entshona koloni ingakombi ke owalapha umasipala eMossel Bay uyasixelela ke into yokuba eGarden Route ukuba bazosoloko le meko beyibeke esweni uqinisekisa into yokuba abo bathe babe kanti bayonzakala nabathe babe kanti baphulukana nako bayakufumana ukuncediswa apha ke kurhulumente. Masiphinde sichaphazele into yokuba ngomso kulindelekile into yokuba sibe kanti sithethe nosodolophu walapha eGarden Route kunye ke nenhloko ejongene lezemililo ukusinika ke mhlawumbe ezakutshanje kunye ke mhlawumbe ne-lessons okanye izinto abathe babe kanti bayazifunda kwesisiganeko sibi kangakanana esibangelwe yimililo yamadlelo. Masiqinisekise kumphulaphuli kunye ke nombukeli wendaba ze-SABC ukuba sizamnika ukusuka nokuhlala kulo briefing leyo nalapho ke sabe sibe kanti sithetha kunye nosodolophu kunye nenhloko yecandelo lezemililo apha ke eGarden Route. Umbukeli we-SABC akasoza kuphoswe kokwenzekayo apha eMossel Bay kuba kaloku thina esilapha sizindlebe kunye namehlo e-SABC.
Siyathokoza mkhokheli. Sikhuphukile isibalo sabafundi abahlola inhlahlubo zabo zikametriki abakopako. Umnyango wezefundo esisekelo uvumile ukuthi iphepha lenhlahlubo zikametriki livuswe li-ofisi labo lePitori ngokutsho kumbiko wesikhatshana okhutshwe isiqhema esiphenyako esikhethekileko. Kujanyiswe emsebenzini inkhulu ezimbili zomnyango lo kanti abafundi abama-40 abathindekako kulezi nhlanzo bavaliwe ukuthi bangasahloli inhlahlubo zikametriki iminyaka 3 yonke.
Isibalo sabafundi bakametriki ebathindeka endabeni yokukopa ePitori sikhuphukele ema-40 ukusuka ema-26 ekubalwa hlangana abasebenzi ababili bomnyango wezefundo esisekelo ababanjiweko sikhuluma nje. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi abafundi abama-40 benkolo ezilikhombe ezihlukeneko zePitori bafumane iphepha lesingisi lokuthoma lesibili kunye lesithathu ekubalwa nele-mathematics paper 1, 2 and 3 kunye nele-physical science lokuthoma nelesibili. Lokhu kuvele nakukhutshwa umbiko wephenyo elikhethekileko elibekelwe ukuphenya indaba le.
Based on the evidence thus far, the NITT reports that the breach appears to have started with the department's secure exam paper system environment. This is where question papers are set, handled, and stored. The NITT further reports that the department official whose child wrote the NSC 2025 exam is alleged to have been involved and that the learner shared material further.
Abafundi abakopile kwaba bayokuthathelwa initifiketi zabo zisulwe bezivalwe bangasazithola ngokuya kukaHulumende wezefundo esisekelo uyathoma bona iphepha livuze ukusuka kwaHulumende ophezulu wezefundo esisekelo. Nanyana kunjalo umkhandlu oyengamele inhlahlubo zika matric uMalusi uthi inhlahlubo zika matric zika 2025 zithembekile begodu uthi ukuya phambili kufanele kuqiniswe zevikeleko lalapha amaphepha la abekwa khona ukukhandela indaba zokuvuza kwamaphepha. Inkolweni ntathu zehlagwini Jingalanga zihlanjululiwe kulandela izwange batsho yokuthi abafundi bakhona bakopa okweza ngabahlabi imkhosi. Iphiko eliphenya ukukopa kwama matric kulindeleke ukuthi liqedelele umsebenzi walo ekupheleni kwenyanga le. Kwakhathesi iphenyo lisaragela phambili.
Umkhandlu wengamele inhlahlubo zika matric uMalusi uqinisekise ukuba impumelelo ukukhutshwa kwemiphumela yenhlahlubo zika matric zomnyaka ka2025. Usihlalo umkhandlu kaMalusi uProfessor Eunice Balim uphathise ukuphuma kwemiphumela bewayimemezela njengethembekileko nethulwe ngesithunzi kodwa uzwakalise ukuthonyeka ngokuvuza kwamaphepha okwenzeke ePitori la kusolwa khona abafundi abali-18.
Imphumela yenhlahlubo zika matric zomnyaka ka2025 iqinisekiswe ngempumelelo.
Umalusi Council congratulates the class of 2025 who have succeeded in these examinations. Words of appreciation are also due to their teachers, their parents, their guardians, and all those who have supported the learners throughout their journey.
Bangaphezulu kwengidi abafundi abatlole inhlahlubo zika matric emazikweni wokuhlolela iziqu ezihlukileko. Babalelwa enkulungwaneni ezili-17 abafundi abatlole inhlahlubo zokuphela komnyaka ngaphasi kwebhodi yenhlahlubo zika matric ezijameleko i-Independent Examination Board. uMalusi ukhuphe imphumela bewaqinisekisa ukuba impumelelo kwayo. Bafundi abangaphezulu kwenkulungwana ezili-9 abatlole ngaphasi kwe-National Senior Certificate abajamele pheze abafundi ababalelwa emaphesentini ama-90 wabafundi beka 2025.
The examinations were administered largely in accordance with the regulations pertaining to the conduct, administration and management of the National Senior Certificate Examinations.
Umbuzo khona malungana nokuvuza kwamaphepha uMalusi uthi bafundi abali-18 abasolwako kanti yokugodlwa imphumela yabo.
Umalusi wants to assure the public that the breach was localized and therefore cannot dent the overall credibility of the 2025 NSC results.
uMalusi ubuyogodu wazwakalisa ukwaneliseka ngokungabi khona ukuphazamiseka okukhuthazwe yipolitiki okuphazamise imphumela kaMatric. Nakusenjalo ungqongqotshe wezefundo esisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube lindeleke ukuthi amemezele imphumela epheleleko yenhlahlubo zokuphela komnyaka ka2025 iveke ezako.
Umnyango wezifundo eLimpopo uthi konke sekujame ngokwekhabo lakhona njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi kukhutshwe imphumela kaMatric ngelesibili. Isifundo esisaphasa ngamaphesenti ama-85 i-85% ngo-2024 bekodwa sathathwa njengesithuthuke kunazo zonke imfunda. Umnyango wezifundo uthi abafundi bazokufumana intatimende zemphumela yabo enkolweni ebebafunda kizo ngelesibili.
Ukukhutshwa kwemphumela kaMatric yango-2025 imphumela elizwe yokukhutshwa ngebomnyango wezifundo esisekelo ngomvulo bese kulandele imfunda ngelesibili. Ngomnyaka opheleleko iLimpopo yaphasa nge-85.1% yabasifundo esithuthuke kunazo zonke. Umkhandlu wezifundo eLimpopo uthi imizamo yokuhlanganyela kwabotitshere abafundi nababelethi ibe nomthelele empumelelweni abafundi bakaMatric bango-2025.
Titles are addictive. We are addicted to that title to be the improving province. So we are ready for the 13th. I'm actually ready with the team for the 12th. And I want to say to the Limpopo community, you know, our schools, our principals and educators have worked more over our learners.
Ifuba zibethela phezulu kulabo abatlola uMatric ngomnyaka opheleleko. Bazibuza imibuzo eminingi kodwa impendulo ziyahlayela. Kodwa nabanye nokho bayazithemba.
Nervous and excited at the same time but I'm hoping I will get a bachelor.
I'm feeling nervous for real. Then as for the result, again, actually, I'm very, very much scared.
I'm nervous and happy at the same time. While I'm waiting for my results, it's a little bit difficult.
I don't know what it was gonna those results, but I'm hoping for good results.
Kanti njengobana abanganaqiniso lokuthi baphasile nofana kubhalile nje abafundi kanengi nakubhaleko bayazilimaza abanye bazibulale. Ngikho ke umbiki indaba wethu uNontokozo Sikhosana ahlezi phasi wakhulumisana nomsunguli wejima lokusiza abafundi ukuthi bangazibulali nakubhaleko kunye nomfundi owakhe wafeyila ugrade 11 kodwa namhlanje use university. Asizwe bona ikhambe njani ikulumo yabo.
Imbalobalo zitshengisa ukuthi pheze bama-percentile 9 abantu abatsha bazibulalako kanti esikhathini esiningi bazibulala ngombana bangakaphumeleli kuhle emfundweni zabo. Mbukeli namhlanje estudio sivakatshelwe nguDokotela Usanele Gamede noSimphiwe Ndala owaziwa ngeleka Simplicity. Dokotela nawe Simplicity sanamukela indabeni zesiNdebele ku SABC1. Dokotela angithome ngawe. Emfundweni zakho zamabanga phezulu ubuyelele amagrade amahlandla ambalwa. Kafitshazana nje akhe usicocele ngekhambo lakho bofike lapha ukhona namhlanje.
Ngi-proud ngokunga give up empilweni because ngenze grade 10 kabili, grade 11 kabili and grade 12 kabili, and when I say kabili ngisho ukuthi ngawuqeda grade 12 kokuqala ngabuyela emuva, but I didn't give up. Namhlanje I have a doctor of philosophy in cultural and media studies. Ngifundisa laphayana e-University of Johannesburg because angaze ngigive up, which is one of the reasons why umuntu omusha ngithi nje you can't afford to give up.
Awa ngiyakhuthaza lokho Dokotela. Ngo-2019 wasungula ihlelo le#matric ungazibulali. Ingakhani kwakhuthazwa yini lokho?
At the time masiqala kwakunama reports asho ukuthi abantu abasha bayazibulala noma banama thoughts okuzibulala ngenxa ukuthi abaphumelelanga ku grade 12. So I wanted to share my story. So basically what we are doing, we are encouraging and we are shaping umuntu omusha, simnikeza direction ukuthi kufuna abhekephi.
Simplicity nawe ungomunye wabantu abatsha, wena ke wabuyelela i-grade 11. Ungatsho mhlawumbe ukuthi na uthola imphumela yakho wafikelwa yini emkhumbulweni begodu wadlula njani ebujameni nobo bowufike lapha ukhona namhlanje?
Ilanga engathola ngayo imphumela yami ka grade 11 elchoko ukuthi angakhambi kuhle bangeni lami le-11 angekhe ngalikhohlwa, ngilikhumbula ngathi lilanga la izolo. Kwaba yifeeling ebhlungu khulu ngoba ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngafika ekhaya ngidanile ukuthi umsebenzi ekade ngiwenza umnyaka wonke, ngivuka mihla namalanga ngiyesikolweni, ngibhala ama-test, ngibhala ama-exam njalo njalo, it all amounted to this. Azange ngikhona ukuthi ngiphumelele ngiye ka grade 12. Kodwana kwaba sikhumbuzo sokuthi umuntu nakawileko uyavuka, uyazibutha, uqhubeka phambili nepilo ngoba ipilo le ingeyakho, ikhambile kungelakho. Nawuziliselelako kubani ozakudoba. Ngamphasa kuhle ku matric wami. I got 5 distinctions nangiphuma ku matric wami mina. Ngaya e-University of Johannesburg, ngenza unyaka mokugcina ke unyaka lo e-University of Johannesburg in Public Relations and Communications.
Dokotela, njengombelethi akhe sikhulume indaba nasi yokusekelwa kwabafundi. Umbelethi ekhaya angamsekela njani umfundi esikhathini njengoba imphumela ka-matric izokumenyezelwa nje iveke zakho?
Umntanakho uma engaphumelelanga akusho ukuthi uyisehluleki. Enye into eyenzeke uthola ukuthi umzali usune plan ngomntana wakhe, and leyo plan akakayi-communicate nomntana naye unephupho lakhe and naye uthola ukuthi akali-communicateanga nakumzali. And zikhona iy'nhlelo, i-Department of Basic Education second chance matric second chance program ikhona lokusupport abantwana abangaphumelelanga.
Simplicity asesivale ngiyivale ngawe. Mhlambe ungamkhuthaza uthini umuntu omutsha ekhaya olinde imphumela yakhe ka-matric?
Umuntu omutsha angacabanga izinto ezimbi njengokuzibulala, njengoba uDokotela bese kathuli ukuthi abantwana abaningi ba-discourageka to the point where bafila ngathi impilo iphelile, it's the end of the road, and it's not.
No Simplicity noDokotela Sanele Gamede basibonelo sokuthi into na uzimisele ngayo uyayenza, urage nayo nanyana ungahlangabezana nenitshijilo empilweni. Asibusele indambo ku-Cedric Studio.
Nasibuya entolo.
Why would I be expelled for actually expressing a view? I don't know of anything about that.
Udokotela Blade Nzimande uthi SACP angekhe imqotshe ngombana angaboni ngelihlo linye nehlangano yakhe naziza endabeni yokuzijamela emakhethweni ezawo. Sanamukela endabeni nendaba esiziphetheko. Usihlalo we-SACP uDr Blade Nzimande uthi basatshukana nesikhumba malungana nokuthi ingakhani ingihuluphelo ze-SACP zokuzijamela ekhethweni lemfunda labohulumende bezangikhaya aziyokubangela amavunda phakathi kwenhlangano ezihlanganisela yama-union we-ANC namkhanjani. uNzimande ubekhuluma semzimkhulu we-SABC nabekahlathulula ngezwa ngobatsho yokuthi kunentshijilo zokungaboni ngelihlo linye phakathi kwakhe nobhalazombelele we-SACP uSolima Bhaila. Ube wabuzwa nangefunisela yokuthi angahle akhonjwe indlela.
Why would I be expelled for actually expressing a view? I don't know of anything about that. If there are some people who are thinking of doing that, well, it's their own choice to do that. Although there is a danger that we must always watch as the SACP, that we don't use SACP disciplinary structures to sort out political differences. That has actually destroyed many organizations. I don't think that we are at variance with the General Secretary. That's why, Samuel, I'm not very keen to discuss this matter in a public platform, because some of the observations I'm making from my own experience, having been General Secretary of the party, being National Chairperson of the party.
Kezemali ranta linzinzile nalinganisana ezinye imali ezikulu. Sincabeze ngembone engakhange ingene ngenxa yemtshini yethu. Sithanda ukwazisa mbukeli bona ngomvulo indaba zesiNdebele zizabe zingekho ngonobangela wemidlalo yebholo ye-AFCON zizokujanyiselelwa zindaba zesulu. Asibonane ngokuzako. Nisale nomusa.